Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hello dear friends, and thank you so much for stopping by today. I'm very honored for today's video to unbox with you the very lovely, very well anticipated Stylevana Advent Calendar for 2022. And I want to give a shout out and a special thank you to Stylevana team for sending me this lovely Advent calendar. It's a real honor and pleasure to work and collaborate with such an amazing company. So before we are starting and showing what is in the inside, because we are all curious to learn that, let me give you a little bit of a detail. The most awaited Stylevana box, their limited edition Advent calendar, is fully packed with the bestseller K-beauty products, starting from cleansing, moisturizing and nourishing to most important, always keeping fresh and healthy. The tagline of this Advent calendar is "Find your beautiful self." Through that, they want to send the message of how important is the self-care. And as you can see on the interior of the doors, the box is coming with a guidance on how and which type of products to use for morning and evening skincare routine, which I find it very useful, especially if you are a beginner in this chapter. The selling price of the box is $209.99 US. Also, as a bonus, if you use the discount code INF10JBB, that will also be on the screen and down below on my description box, you will get an additional 10 to 15% off, which is an even greater deal. There is also a free shipping associated with purchasing of this box, and the Advent calendar is going on sale on October 14, but the number of boxes is limited, so you might be quick in case you want to get your hands on this amazing product, because it will sell out super fast like it happened in the previous years. I'll have all the details down below in my description box, including the discount code, the link to the Advent calendar and the products that are inside. So in case you are interested, do not hesitate, because this is one of those greater deals that they do not stay for long. And now let's go and find out what we have inside. Absolutely love the packaging, and guys, let me tell you, it's very sturdy, so you can reuse this Advent calendar to keep your skincare, your makeup, or if you have children, you can use for them to store their toys. And we have 24 drawers. I will try to show you, but I am not able to lift too much the Advent calendar. Maybe I'm going to bring the camera a bit closer, and now you are going to see what is hiding behind my desk. So starting with the day number 1, we are starting strong with a brand that I'm very much loving. I currently use the SPF. I used up the SPF from them. So this is the Skin 1004, and it's a Hyaluronic Blue Serum. This is what the product looks like. And you have a pump so that it will disperse the serum, which has a slight fresh scent to it. Very nice, and it feels very hydrating on the skin. Day number 2. Ooh, we have 2 products actually. So we have a duo. Those are blueberry hydrating intensive cream. So I suppose they might be night and day, but I'm not sure. Very cute. They are travel friendly for sure. Day number 3. This is a Etude Fixing Tint. I believe this might be a lipstick. This is what the packaging looks like. Ooh, the shade is very nice. Very nice and neutral, lover appropriate. I love those kind of tints from K-beauty. I have a couple of them, and I know they are very comfortable and they do last. They actually stay. So I hope this is the case. Day number 4. We have something big. what we have here. This is a propolis honey overnight mask with propolis and honey extract. This is what the mask looks like, and this is the packaging. Okay, so the brand is Cosrx. This is a very lovely K-beauty brand. Day number 5. Couldn't see it because it's something big. Melt and Remove is written here, and it's by the brand TA. So sorry if I butchered the name. This is the brand name, and it's a blackout sheet, a pore care sheet that gently softens and dissolves blackheads and sebum to remove them from the pores without damaging the skin. Oh my god, this is so cool! Inside you have a sachet of black Q-tips, and this is the actual product. So another black packaging. Ooh, so it's sealed. So we have a tiny little pen set. Inside you have white sheets which are saturated with a solution. That's very interesting. Definitely. Okay, day number 6. We have a Elastox hand ampule. 90 seconds. I never had hand ampule, so this is the product. And it's by the brand Prestlow. 30 milliliters. Let's see what the hand ampule looks like. So it's sealed. As you can tell, it's transparent and smells nice. Ooh, smells really nice, guys. Actually more like a perfume, and it's like a serum which penetrates very quickly your hand. So I believe this might become my favorite winter hand serum because I love hydration, but I don't like sticky hands. And guys, I failed to mention, and I don't want to make the video too long, but all the products have the expiration date, as always, marked here on the packaging. So most of them expire in 2025, so more than 2 years of validity. Day number 7, it's a cute packaging. The brand is Esfolio, and it's a fresh pink peach hand cream that also expires in 2025. January. And this is what the hand cream looks like. Okay, it's also sealed for sure. I'm going to enjoy loving this hand cream during winter. Day number 8, it's right here. This is a extreme lip repair. So I assume this is a lip balm. Alright, so this is what the lip balm looks like. It's a small tube. Lip Extreme Lip Repair by the brand Real Barrier. Yeah, this is. I cannot test it right now on my lips, but also has a nice, almost undetectable smell. Day number 9. This is a product from the brand Haru Wonder, a brand that is familiar to me, and it's a ultra deep. No, it's a black bamboo mist. This is what it looks like. Love the packaging. It's like in ombre, and it's sealed. Let's try it. It smells absolutely lovely, and the mist, it's very fine. Day number 10. It is a pink box, and inside we have makeup. Ooh, wow! You guys, this is a velvet ink, and the brand is Pera. Do you know what I'm wearing today? I don't know if you can tell. I have a ink tint from the same brand. So this is 01. This is like a dark red, mostly like a berry shade. This formula is extremely comfortable. Let me show you. I don't know where I have put mine. So this is the one that I currently have, number 14, and I think you are sick of me talking a lot about this, and now I have the color number 14, which is this lovely berry shade. I cannot wait to rock my fall makeup looks using this. I think you can make a statement just wearing this color by its own, and a black liner, mascara, a little bit of a blush, and you are gone. Alright, day number 11. It's a pink box, and what we have here? I think I recognize the packaging. This is the Bonjour Mugwort Cream Calming Mask. So I already have this mask and it's open. So I'm going to insert a clip where I'm trying this mask. But I absolutely love it. I'm like halfway through mine. So I'm happy that I have a backup now. Day number 12. We have a Luxe Gel Eyeliner by the brand Ray Ray. So this is what the liner looks like. I don't have this color. It's more like an brown espresso kind of color. Ooh, it's very creamy. I prefer brown or dark brown to black. We have a lot of black liners in Advent Calendar, so I really highly appreciate when we do get a different color. Day number 13. This is a marine eye cream by the brand. Oh, the brand. It's right where the expiration date it is, so it might be Hamish. Yes, it's by the brand Hamish. And the expiration date is 2025, March 31st. Look at the packaging. It is very, very fancy. I'm actually going through my eye creams and I was discovering that I don't have so many, so I'm very excited to give it a go. Oh, you guys, watch. It's coming with a nice spatula. So I don't know if you can tell, but you have a spatula which has a metallic tip. So this, it will do wonders for your under eye area. Oh, this is gold. Day number 14. Okay, technical issues. I cannot pull it. And look what is inside. So it's a cute little girl. It's a collagen protein ion injection. So inside you have a pair of cute funny little eyes. And this is our packaging. It's everything written in Korean, so I cannot read you, so I'm very excited to give it a go. Day number 15, and we do get a glittering eye stick. Let's swatch it beside to the brown one. Oh, isn't it stunning? Look at the shift. So it's like a light pink shimmery shade. Love it. It's good to use on your under eye area or on your inner corner and highlight, or you can use it all over the lid together with the brown liner, so it's quite coordinated. Now day number 16. So this is like a face mask. It's by Purito. So there are 36 patches of 10 millimeters and 15 patches of 12 millimeters, just to cover your zits. I believe this is just genius. So usually you get one type of patch. It's like, I'll hold it to read. Day number 17 now. This is a oligo hyaluronic acid boosting ampule. I actually needed a hyaluronic acid. This is what the hyaluronic acid looks like. It's coming with a pipette. Okay, we have reached the day number 18, which is this lovely drawer. This is a retinol cream. Yeah, missing retinol, so we do have now one. This is by the brand Bellflower, and it's a retinol for wrinkle care. 30 milliliter, innovative and trustworthy. Let's open it up, but it's just a regular tube. So this is what the tube looks like. I'm not going to open it right now, but for sure I'm going to give it a go and let you know in my upcoming videos. Day number 19. Oh, it's something big. Oh, wow! This is a jar of eye patches, gold and snail hydrogel eye patches by the brand Petit Fille. And it says that golden snail slime extract helps to make your skin firm, healthy and have a glowing complexion. And there are 60 patches, so it means 30 pairs. So I'm very familiar with these because I had them prior. So this is what the packaging looks like, and you have also a spatula. I had them prior, but not from Stylevana. I bought those with my own money. Everything is coming sealed. And what I love the most about those patches is that they do not slide. So I have had several patches, which some of them were better than others, but those you can put them on and you forget that you have eye patches. They are thicker and they do not slide so often. So you are good to do something else after you apply your patches, not to sit still hoping to not collect them from your face. Moving to day number 20. Okay. This is a salmon dark circle concealer from the brand Skin Food. Oh, this is such a lovely packaging, and I'm actually looking for a dark circle concealer because I don't know if you can tell, but my concealer almost cannot cover my dark circles. So I'm very excited about this. I'm going to insert a swatch. Day number 21, and this is a blue box by the brand PREM. Oh, this is a light refreshing sun essence with full moisture. So this is an SPF. Very happy about that because we do all love SPF and we want to take care of our face, and find your beautiful self means to protect your skin. Sunscreen is the most powerful thing that it will help you prevent aging, because sun is damaging our skin irreversibly, I could say. On day number 22, this is a dark spot correcting glow serum. Activated niacinamide helps to correct dark spots and brighten skin, with plant-derived squalene to lock in moisture for glowing skin all day. So it's coming in the tube with a dispenser. Very happy about that because I love niacinamide on my skin. I have imperfections and niacinamide is very good to tackle those and give you a very nice, very luminous skin. Day number 23. It's a very big box. And here we have a hyaluronic acid water sun gel from the brand E3. So another sunscreen. That's awesome. This is what the sunscreen or the SPF looks like. This is white, very lightweight, and then it doesn't leave any white cast, and it absorbs immediately, so no greasy feeling. The last day, the day number 24, so I don't know, I failed to mention in the beginning, but day number 1 and 24 are highlighted with a rose gold drawer packaging. So day number 24, Beauty of Joseon. I remember the actual logo, and it's a SPF 50. So another SPF 50. Yay! 3 SPF, guys, so this is fantastic. Okay, it's sealed. I'm not going to open it. I'm sure it is amazing, and I'm going to let you know about this as soon as I'm going to open it. Alright, you guys, and there we have it. This is the Stylevana Advent Calendar unboxing for 2022. Let me know in your comments down below, what do you think about this advent calendar? From my point of view, I think this is an amazing advent calendar, and I'm not saying this just because it was sent to me, but it's a complete advent calendar to help find your beautiful self, like they are actually wanting to send this message to you. So find your beautiful self, find your beauty with the Stylevana Advent Calendar for 2022. Don't forget to check the description box for more information, link to the product, and also my discount code, which will also offer you a generous discount on this amazing advent calendar. So thank you again to Stylevana team for sending me this amazing advent calendar, which gets from me 10 out of 10 rating. So it is the best advent calendar that I opened so far, and we do only get full-size products, so have to also mention that. And guys, also I want to thank you all for your lovely and continuous support and watching my videos, because none of this would have been possible without your support and continue watching and commenting on my videos. And other than that, I want to wish you all a beautiful day and week or weekend ahead.